What is a tornado? It's rotating air, high winds up to 300 miles per hour, and dangerous. Blah, 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 blah. Rotating air, high winds up to 300 miles per hour, dangerous. Here's your first higher order thinking question. What does a tornado need to form? What are the factors? Okay, you've had time to think about it. Let's see. Most tornadoes are formed from a thunderstorm. The Gulf of Mexico has warm, moist air that meets with Canada's cool, dry air. There's a low level moisture needed to help the thunderstorm. Winds turn clockwise and are strong. Here's the diagram. For a tornado, you have the Gulf of Mexico with warm, moist air. Plus, you have Canada's cool, dry air. A thunderstorm is produced. Then we see a funnel or slender cloud formed. Now we see our tornado. Here's a wind draft. As you can see, we have all of this wind that moves around. And this is in the sky, which creates our tornado. What does it look like? A tornado is usually shaped like a funnel, but it can look like a long, slender rope. It can look dark, light, or invisible, and only shows debris swirling. Here's a picture of a tornado. This one looks like a long, slender rope. As you can see, it doesn't take up much path. The tornadoes come in different sizes. Tornadoes can produce hail, dust devil. As you can see, it's over land and dust, and it picks it up, and all you can see is the dust. It can also produce a water spout. This is a tornado that's formed over water. We have a peak season to see a tornado. It's usually March through May, and the northern states see them in the summer. They usually are seen between 3 and 9 p.m. Tornadoes can happen any time of the year. They can also happen any time of the day. Here's another higher order thinking question. Why can more than one tornado form at a time? Let's see if you're right. Cool, moist air wraps the tornado, and it starts dissipating. Another tornado begins forming in better conditions in the thunderstorm. They're only on the ground together for a short time. Tornadoes cause a lot of destruction. You should always take cover to protect yourself. Don't wait until you see a tornado, but instead, when you hear the warnings, that's when you should go. The best place is on the lowest floor of your home or building that you are in at the time, in the center of that area. Here's some damage before. Look at this neighborhood. But after a tornado, look what happened.